Best DRL LED daytime running lights improve road visibility, enhance vehicle style, increase driving safety, and reduce daytime accident risks. My today's video is about top 5 best DRL LED daytime running lights that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Oxalum H15 DRL LED bulbs. The Oxalum H15 LED DRL bulbs deliver a massive upgrade over standard halogen lighting, offering exceptional brightness with crisp 6500K cool white illumination. Thanks to the advanced double-sided LED chips, visibility is dramatically improved during both daytime and nighttime driving, making the road clearer and safer. Installation is impressively simple with its true 1:1 mini-size design, allowing a fast plug-and-play setup without extra adapters or modifications. What truly stands out is the precise beam pattern. The ultra-thin copper plate design creates uniform 360 degrees lighting with no dark spots, while minimizing glare for oncoming drivers. Durability is equally impressive, as the advanced cooling system with a copper heat pipe, high-speed fan, and large radiator keeps temperatures under control for a long-lasting 60,000-hour lifespan. Built-in canvas and anti-flicker technology further enhance reliability by preventing dashboard errors and flickering issues in most vehicles. Now our second product is Vectoris LED Rear Reflector Lamp. These LED rear bumper reflector lights are an excellent upgrade for Subaru Forester models from 2009 to 2018, offering both enhanced safety and a sleek custom appearance. Designed as a direct replacement for the factory reflectors, the fitment is precise and hassle-free. The bright red high-power LEDs dramatically improve rear visibility, making braking, signaling, and daytime driving much more noticeable in low-light or nighttime conditions. What makes this kit stand out is its multi-function design, combining DRL, brake light, and turn signal features into one stylish unit. The IP67 waterproof construction ensures reliable performance through rain, snow, dust, and regular car washes, while UV-resistant materials help maintain a clean, fade-free look over time. Installation is straightforward with clearly labeled wiring, allowing most users to complete the upgrade without vehicle modifications. The reflector lights also meet DOT and SAE standards, adding confidence in both quality and road legality. Overall, this kit delivers a practical safety improvement with a premium custom touch. Our third product is Finlian LED Backup Light Bulb. These 3157 LED bulbs deliver an impressive lighting upgrade with outstanding brightness and versatility. Equipped with 4 high-power CSP LED chips, each bulb produces up to 1,800 lumens, creating a crisp 6,000K xenon white output that is dramatically brighter than standard halogen bulbs. The 360 degrees illumination pattern improves visibility for backup lights, brake lights, DRLs, turn signals, and other applications, making driving safer in all conditions. The build quality is equally impressive. The full aluminum body helps dissipate heat efficiently, while the built-in constant current IC driver ensures stable performance even in vehicles with voltage fluctuations. The non-polarity design and compatibility with both CK/SRCK and standard sockets make installation quick and hassle-free for a wide range of vehicles. Its IP67 waterproof rating adds durability for long-term outdoor use, including rain and harsh weather conditions. Overall, these bulbs combine exceptional brightness, reliability, and broad compatibility, making them a solid upgrade for drivers wanting better visibility and a modern LED appearance. Now number 4. Sealight H11 H16 H8 LED Fog Light Bulbs. The Sealight H16 LED fog light bulbs provide a major visibility upgrade with impressive brightness and dependable performance. Producing up to 12,000 lumens of crisp 6,500K white light, these bulbs deliver dramatically clearer illumination compared to factory halogen fog lights. They perform exceptionally well in fog, rain, snow, and other low-visibility driving conditions, helping drivers see farther and react faster on the road. Installation is quick and beginner-friendly thanks to the compact plug-and-play design. With no external drivers or complicated wiring required, the bulb can be installed in minutes while maintaining a clean OEM-style fit. The CAN bus-ready system also minimizes dashboard errors and flickering issues in most vehicles. Durability is another standout feature. The IP68 waterproof rating, shockproof construction, and advanced triple cooling system ensure stable long-term performance in harsh weather and demanding driving environments. With a lifespan exceeding 60,000 hours and broad compatibility across H8, H11, H16, and H9 applications, these fog lights offer excellent reliability, safety, and modern styling. And our last choice is Oxido 3157 LED Bulb White. These 3157 LED bulbs offer an excellent balance of brightness, efficiency, and modern styling for drivers looking to upgrade from factory halogen lights. Equipped with 54 precisely arranged 4014 SMD LED chips, the bulbs provide a clean 360 degrees illumination pattern with crisp 6000K white light, greatly improving visibility when reversing or driving in low-light conditions. The halogen-style shape also helps maintain a factory-style beam distribution without uneven hotspots. Despite consuming only 5.5 W per bulb, the light output is significantly brighter than traditional halogen bulbs while using far less power. The built-in smart IC driver ensures stable performance, constant current output, and zero radio interference, while the instant-on response adds quicker illumination for added safety. The electroplated housing enhances heat dissipation and oxidation resistance, contributing to long-lasting durability and a premium appearance. With broad compatibility across multiple socket types and applications, these bulbs are a versatile upgrade for reverse lights, brake lights, DRLs, turn signals, and more. Overall, they deliver reliable performance with impressive efficiency and style. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.